Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to bring you our top picks for the best high chairs of 2024. If you're looking for the perfect high chair for your little one that combines safety, comfort, and versatility, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the best options on the market this year. Let's kick things off with the Graco Table2Table Premier Fold 7-in-1 Convertible High Chair. This versatile high chair truly grows with your child, adapting to 7 different configurations that cater to every stage of their early years. Starting as an infant high chair, it seamlessly transitions into a traditional high chair, an infant booster, a toddler booster, and even a kid's table and chair set. This versatility ensures you get long-lasting value from this all-in-one seating solution. The Maison design is both stylish and functional, featuring a sleek frame and soft, wipeable fabrics that make cleanup a breeze. And its foldable design is incredibly convenient for storage and travel, saving space when you need it most. Safety is paramount with Graco, and this chair includes a 5-point harness and sturdy frame to keep your little one secure. Compared to other high chairs, the Graco Table2Table stands out for its adaptability and thoughtful design, making it a must-have for any growing family in 2024. The Joovy Nook high chair is another game-changer for parents seeking convenience and style. Its standout feature is the one-handed tray opening, making it incredibly easy to swing the tray into place without fussing with alignment. This high chair's practicality shines with a dishwasher-safe tray insert that simplifies cleanup. Just pop it in the dishwasher and you're good to go. The leatherette seat not only looks sleek, but is also machine washable, ensuring it stays fresh and clean. With 4 depth adjustments, the Nook adapts as your child grows, accommodating them from infancy up to 50 lbs. Safety is a priority with the fully adjustable 5-point harness, keeping your little one secure during meal times. Plus, it's free from harmful chemicals like phthalates, BPA, BPS, and lead, ensuring peace of mind. One of the best features is its ability to fold down flat for compact storage, perfect for small spaces. Joovy's Nook high chair is designed to make meal times stress-free and enjoyable, allowing families to focus on creating happy memories together. If you're looking for a high chair that offers convenience and portability, the Inglesina fast table chair is a fantastic choice. This high chair is designed for babies and toddlers aged 6 to 36 months and fits tables from 0.8 to 3.5 inches thick. Its collapsible, portable design makes it perfect for families on the go. Whether you're heading to a restaurant or a friend's house, this chair ensures your little one has a safe and comfortable seat at the table. The Inglesina Fast Table Chair includes a travel-friendly bag, making it easy to carry and store. The setup is quick and hassle-free, with a twist-tight coupling that ensures a secure fit on most tables. The chair is also BPA-free, ensuring it's safe for your child. The durable construction and high-quality materials mean this chair is built to last. Plus, the fabric seat can be easily removed and washed, keeping it clean and fresh for every meal. Compared to traditional high chairs, the Inglesina Fast Table Chair stands out for its portability, ease of use, and convenience, making it an excellent option for modern parents. The Perego. Siesta is not just a high chair, it's a multifunctional wonder that adapts as your child grows. This chair boasts 5 reclining positions, including a true lay-flat position, making it perfect as both a high chair and a recliner for infants. Its versatility extends to a 3-position adjustable footrest and 9 height positions, allowing it to convert from a high chair to a toddler seat seamlessly. The Siesta ensures your baby can sit with you at any table height. Safety is paramount, with a 5-point harness and a T-bar that attaches to the seat, providing extra protection even when the tray is removed. The mar-resistant caster wheels, equipped with a stop-and-go lock system, make it easy to move your baby from room to room safely. Cleaning is also breeze thanks to the double tray design. The top tray is dishwasher safe, and the eco-friendly leather upholstery is stain-resistant and easy to wipe clean. Made in Italy, the Siesta combines practicality with style, making it an essential addition to any baby registry. Compared to other high chairs, the Perego Siesta stands out for its multifunctionality, safety features, and elegant design, making it a top choice for modern parents. The Evenflo 4-in-1 Eat and Grow Convertible High Chair is a versatile and practical solution for your child's feeding needs as they grow. Designed to transition through 4 stages of use, it starts as an infant high chair, then converts to a baby dining chair with tray, a toddler, stand-alone chair, and finally, a big kid table and chair. This adaptability makes it an excellent long-term investment for your family. Safety is a top priority, with a 5-point safety harness ensuring your little one is securely strapped in during mealtimes. The machine-washable seat pad adds a layer of convenience, making cleanup after meals effortless. Suitable for children from approximately 6 months up to 50 pounds, this high chair can accommodate your child through various stages of development. The Evenflo 4-in-1 is not just a high chair, it's a comprehensive dining solution that grows with your child, providing comfort, safety, and adaptability. Compared to other high chairs on the market, its multi-stage usability and ease of maintenance make it a standout choice for parents looking for both functionality and value.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.